Hello, and welcome to today's Word of the Day. It's week 2, part 2. Today's word is controversy. 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 The word controversy means a dispute, especially a public one, between two sides holding opposing views, or a dispute. Examples of the word controversy in a sentence are: there was controversy between the two political parties. The judge's choice on the talent show caused controversy. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for tomorrow's video. And have a nice day.